Hello everyone, we'll discuss the second problem, that is solve dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to x divided by y subjected to the condition dou z by dou x is equal to log x when y equal to 1 and z equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. This problem is asked in 15th scheme July 16 question paper of BTU. We'll check out the solution of this problem. I will rewrite this dou square z by dou x dou y as dou by dou y into dou z by dou x. Since the given condition is dou z by dou x, I need to get dou z by dou x to substitute one of the condition, that's equal to x by y. We'll integrate with respect to y first. So dou z by dou y gets cancelled and treat x as constant. So you will get dou z by dou x is equal to x is constant times integration of 1 by y dy plus the integration constant, it is function of x, that is f of x. Then dou z by dou x is equal to x into integration of 1 by y 1 log y plus f of x. I'll take that equation as equation number 4. Integrate with respect to x, treating y as constant now, integrating with respect to x. So we will get z is equal to log y as constant, integration of x with respect to x plus integration of f of x with respect to x plus function of y, that is the integration constant. After integration we are adding the constant as function of y. Then z is equal to log y as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of f of x dx is capital F of x plus g of y. I'll take where f of x is equal to integration of f of x dx. Now apply the first condition, that is when y is equal to 1, the value of dou z by dou x is equal to log x. Substitute in equation number 4. So equation number 4 becomes log x as dou z by dou x is equal to x as it is log of 1 plus f of x. Log 1 value is equal to 0, hence this first term of RHS becomes 0, f of x is log x. Then capital F of x is equal to integration of f of x dx, that is integration of log x dx. Here we should proceed with integration by parts rule, taking log x as first term and 1 as second term. So log x as it is, integration of 1 is x minus integral of integration, that is x into differentiation of log x is 1. So capital F of x becomes x minus x gets cancelled in the integral sign. So x log x minus integration of 1 dx is x. Substitute this in equation number 5, that is z is equal to log y x square by 2 plus capital F of x plus g of y. Substitute capital F of x there, z equal to log y into x square by 2 plus x log x minus x plus g of y as 6th equation. Then apply the second condition, that is the value of z is 0 when x value is 1. So here in equation number 6, z equal to 0, that's equal to log y as it is. Substitute x equal to 1, so x square by 2, 1 square, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 into log 1 minus 1 plus g of y. So log 1 value is equal to 0. So g of y is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1 in the other side, minus 1 by 2 log y. So g of y value is 1 minus half times log y, or that's equal to 1 minus log of root 2. Hence, substitute in equation number 6, g of y value we should substitute in this equation, z equal to x square by 2 log y plus x log x minus x, plus g of y value is 1 minus log of root y. This is the final solution.